Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. It's the first day of dragon school, and all the young dragons must learn to harness their fire breath. The only problem is that Long is from the east, and they don't breathe fire, they breathe out water. No matter how hard he huffs and puffs, Long can't figure out how to match his fire-breathing classmates. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together. Long Goes to Dragon School, written by Helen H and illustrated by Mae Besom, and see if Long's secret talent is discovered or if he will find his own unique path to cooking and fitting in. Today is the first day of Dragon School. Long is excited about his new adventure, and so are his classmates Camilla, Willie, and Mia. Welcome to the class. We're here to discover your unique talents, Professor McKay says. First, we'll learn how to use our fire breath to cook food.
I've read that in a book. I can't wait.
I'll be careful not to burn my toes.
Oh no, Long worries. Where I'm from, everyone breathes out water, not fire.
Professor McKay gathers everyone and picks up a big potato. Who likes roasted potatoes?
I do. What can I do? I can't roast potatoes with water, Long thinks.
Now watch closely, Professor McKay says. Relax your body, focus your mind, feel your power, fire you'll find. Frizzle, frazzle, froos. A bright jet of fire comes out from Professor McKay's mouth, and, just like that, the potato is fire roasted and ready to eat. Now it's your turn, Professor McKay says. When you're ready, we'll have a picnic. Everyone will join in cooking the food. It's time to practice. Relax your body, focus your mind, feel your power, fire you'll find.
Camilla's face turns red. Willie sneezes out a plume of smoke.
Mia coughs up a gob of ash.
Long huffs and puffs, but all that comes out is a shower of water. He taps his feet, thinking, I have to look like I can breathe fire. Long looks around and sprinkles some dust on his nose. Achoo!
You'll find your own path, Professor McKay tells the class. It takes time and lots of practice.
Mia blows out flames, and the potato cracks. Camilla spews lava, and the potato turns to ash. Willie burps fire, and the potato melts. Long only gushes out a spray of warm water. He fidgets and grabs some dark paint. I wonder what he's going to do. Oops! My potato burned.
You're making progress. Keep trying. Long finds a hidden place to practice and practice and practice some more.
He concentrates, he meditates, he resorts to experimental methods. He tries drinking hot tea, eating spicy chili, and letting the sun warm his belly. But nothing works. Long only spouts out warm, warm water. This is hopeless, Long sighs. He looks very sad there. At the end of the week, Professor McKay gathers the young dragons. "Are you ready for a picnic?" she asks. "I'm ready." "All set, all set. Let's go." Camilla toasts marshmallows. Willie pops popcorn. Mia grills a fish. "Well done. Long, will you roast the pumpkin for us?" Long nibbles his claws. His tummy feels tickly and squeezy. I bet some of you have felt that way. "Professor McKay, we won't have roasted pumpkin for our picnic. I'll let everyone down," he cries. "Because where I come from, dragons breathe out water, not fire." Long's heart aches. It's very sad there. Professor McKay thinks for a moment. "I didn't know that. We use water in cooking too. Take it easy and try your best." Long remembers what Professor McKay said. Find your own path. He relaxes his body, focuses his mind, feels his power, and hiss, huss, hoot. A jet of hot, hot steam shoots out of his mouth. But the pumpkin is not fire roasted. It is perfectly steamed. When Long looks up, the entire class is staring at him. "Wow, when I breathe out water, it turns into hot steam." Long smiles. "I found my unique talent." "Smells good. This is cool. So yummy, so yummy." "You're wonderful, Long. Could you steam more for us?" "Let me see what else I can steam." Together, the friends roast and steam, fill their bellies with delicious food, and have the most splendid picnic ever. Long's adventure at Dragon School has only just begun. Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed Long Goes to Dragon School, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.